thermal breaks in climate zones. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Join us for a review of the effect climate zones and U factors have on system design and selection.
So as an architect, when you start into a project, you want to start looking at what thermal performance you need to design into the system. You're going to start with this ASHRAE map. And this is a climate zone map. And what it does is it breaks North America into 8 different climate zones. So you need to start by identifying where on this map your project is located and then which climate zone that puts you into. From there, we're going to move to this map. And this is used in both ASHRAE and International Energy Conservation Code. What this chart shows is across the top is all the different climate zones. And then underneath that, corresponding to which climate zone you're in, is going to reference your maximum U factor that you use on a project. So let's say we were in Alabama and we were working on a project that would put us in climate zone 3. Yet if we were up in New England working on a project, that would put us in climate zone 6. So now we know where our climate zones are. So we need to now look down underneath those at this information. What this represents is in climate zone 3, the maximum U factor or the highest U factor our system can have is 0.46. And then corresponding under zone 3, the same thing is called out. So here, climate zone 3, the maximum U factor on our fixed frames is 0.46. In climate zone 3, the maximum U factor on our fixed frames is 0.36. With U factors, the lower the number, the better. The higher the number shows that it's more efficient at transferring heat, and that's not what you want. We want a lower U factor. So when you're designing a system based on the climate zone, if we were in climate zone 3, the highest U factor our system, which is your glass and frame combination, can have is 0.36. Now you can have lower, that's improved performance, but you can't have a higher U factor than that.
That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.